Wow, I don't know about you, but man, chapter 5, or the last chapter we just read, of the hot zone, was a doozy. Had me on the edge of my seat. Of course, that's not really due till next week, but I couldn't stop reading it. I couldn't put it down. Anyway, yeah, let's get to class. Remember, your next test will be on January 4th, and we are in the middle of the endocrine disruptors lab. And we're going to talk a little bit about endocrine disruption. All right. Hey now. Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class. You might learn a ton. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class. Yeah, the endocrine system. Or endocrine system. I still don't know what to call it. And of course, they're glands. Glands. Actually, your first question is, can you name a gland of the endocrine system? Glands secrete chemicals called hormones. Next question, can you name a hormone? Give me an example of a hormone. And of course, hormones travel through the blood in the plasma, along with little, hey everybody, I'm Little Red. Along with everybody in the bloodstream. That's right, everybody. They travel along with me. They're just floating in the bloodstream. That's right, everybody. Let's see. Can you tell me something else besides blood cells, red blood cells, and hormones that might be floating in the bloodstream, in the plasma? And then, of course, once a hormone reaches a target cell, if it binds to the receptors on the target cell, it causes a stimulus. Now, it causes something that cell to do something. Today we're talking about, what do we call them? Oh yeah, endocrine disruptors. So the way an endocrine disruptor can work is by two ways, right? Two ways. One, either blocking the receptors so the hormones can't attach. So the cell's supposed to do something, but it winds up not doing anything because they're blocked. Or by mimicking the hormone. And so if that's not the hormone, but it tells the cell to do what the hormone would tell it to do. So it's like doing something at the wrong time. This is what they found with the frogs, right? In the first part of our lab was that those frogs, there was a chemical, azranine. I gotta look that up because I've forgotten how to say it. Atrazine. Come on, Mr. Kovac, get it right. But it mimics estrogen. So frogs exposed to this chemical were acting as if there's estrogen when there wasn't. And it changed a lot. In fact, some of them wound up having, growing multiple legs, or weirder, having multiple, making both egg and sperm cells at the same time. All right, let's get back to class.